Diffusion and other types of transportation across the cell membrane, which includes diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Diffusion is the movement of particles across the cell membrane. We have a bunch of particles of a certain type on the outside and a few particles on the inside. And particles move randomly, but they want to equalize. They have a desire to, a natural desire. So they all move, but there's 6 on one side and 6 on the other. And these particles are small enough just to pass through the osmosis. We have a beaker here full of water and have some particles on one side and some particles on the other. And in the middle we have a semi-permeable membrane, like a cell wall. The particles cannot move across the membrane, they're too large to. So the water passes through instead to try and make an equal concentration gradient. There's half as much water on this side as there is on this side because there's more particles over here than over here. Sometimes though, if molecules are too big to pass through the cell membrane, they grow through a protein channel. It's too big, so it bounces, and it naturally, just by random movement, has to find that protein channel. Active transport. Osmosis and diffusion, they depend on random movement of particles. But your cells can't always depend on random movement of particles, so they use active transport. There are two types, endocytosis and exocytosis. And endocytosis takes in, exocytosis lets out. Endocytosis, this is pinching. It's where channels fill up with particles and then pinch them off to get them into the cells, the particles as in them. So they move, ta-da! Exocytosis, the cell folds itself so it can get rid of extra waste products. That's pretty simple. It also goes the reverse way, where it will fold to collect products. That's all. That's really it.